Assalamu alaikum. I am Svera and I again appear and prepare this slide for the easy convenience for the student to understand about the periodic history of the element. I mean to say, which substances play a vital role in the arrangement of element in a proper sequence. So in the previous lecture, I tell you about the three great scientists, mean to say Arazi, and Dobbyine and Newland. Understand? But there are some other scientists who play a vital role in the contribution of the periodic table arrangement of elements. So here is the Mendeleev. I hope you all about understand about Mendeleev. Mendeleev was a Russian chemist. In 1871, he classified the element into two major categories, groups and periods. In previous slide and previous lecture, I told you about the groups. Mean to say what is group? What are groups? Groups mean to say the any arrangement of element in a vertical column called group, and a period the arrangement of element in the group. Mean to say in a horizontal section we call it period, and vertical sections we call it groups. Mendeleev has a very great contribution and was a great scientist and a very clear and easily understanding about the classifications of elements. And no doubt, all of the scientists play a vital role, but mostly also have a very great contribution. So let's start our lectures. Basic system of classifications are based on atomic mass. ठीक है? Understand that classification system Mendeleev was used for classifying element is basically based on atomic mass. But on the basis of atomic mass, he classified the element into two major categories. Understand? The two major categories are the groups and periods. In the previous lecture, I tell you that scientists classify the element in group, not use the terminology of period. But here, the Mendeleev use the terminology of the period. Understand? As you know that arrangement of element row means to see the horizontal sections called period and arrangement of any element in the vertical column called group. So the element arranged in periods means their atomic mass decreases. When we look at a modern periodic table, understand, when we move from left to right, it is in a horizontal section, the atomic mass is decreased. So this terminology was based and derived from Mendeleev periodic table. The element arranged in a period manners, understand, arranged in a period manners, the atomic mass decreases. Understand? Basically, it means that element is present in a period, means to say that property, how their property related form and other property of the element. Mean to say if element present in a group 1 and if element present in a group 7, and these two different groups and the element belong to different categories, but the period manner indicate that, understand, and tell us that the how the group element 1 is different from group element 7. Similarly, the element present in the group means to say the atomic mass increases. As you all know that the group means the vertical sections. Understand? Vertical section. So the R element in the present group have similar property. Means to say the group 1 elements are alkali matter and the property are related to one another. Means to say the R element present in the group 1 means to say hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium. They have a similar property and their atomic mass increases when we move from down the groups. So the group tell us the element present in one group, how they related to one another. Understand? And they have the same property. Mean to say, when we look at the group 7 halogens elements, so the element present in the group 7 have related, mean to say the fluorine, chlorine, bromine, and the property are related to one another. Understand? They have 7 electrons in the valence shell, and alkali matter have 1 electron in the valence shell. But when we move from left to right period, so it tells that how two groups element are different from one another. Mean to say, if the elements in the group 1 have 1 electron donation and element present in the 7 group have 7 electron donation, so this difference creates, understand? So in generally, when we move from down to floor, the atomic mass increases. So when we move from left to right, atomic mass decreases. Understand? So the terminology used in Mendeleev's for the classification of the element is basically based on the atomic mass and the group and the period. The two major categories he used his classification. But there has some other abnormalities. Understand? Has some other abnormalities the Mendeleev can't be covered. But he had a great contribution about the discovery of element, the group and the periods. He also left some space in his periodic table so the other element could be discovered. For example, he wanted to discover gallium. Gallium was not discovered at this time, but he have a confidence about that gallium could be discovered. Understand? The gallium could be arranged in a periodic table, and the discovery could be comes. So after a few years, the gallium was discovered, and now the Mendeleev predictions was comes in front. So the Mendeleev have great contributions about the discovery of the periodic table. Understand? So hope you all understand about this topic. If you have any confusion, any question, you can even ask me in the comment section. I can reply you. I can be available for you at any time, at any place. Please subscribe my channel